Wanted a pro data analysis project? Let's start Netflix user database project. Let's jump into it. For importing data, we'll go to get data, and then our file is in CSV format. Then go to CSV and locate the file, load that, and this will lead us to connection between our file and Power BI. After that, we see a window like this, and on top delimiter is comma because our file is in CSV format. If we click on load, it will bring us into Power BI, and if we click on transform, it will lead us into Power Query. So this is interface of Power Query, and in Power Query we will just rename the Netflix user base to Netflix, and then we will clean the date because there are dashes in the date, so we replace the dashes with slashes, and then we check the vulnerability of the data. If the data is clean or not, we will see join date to ensure that it doesn't go beyond 2023. After this, we'll go into Power BI. Just change the data type to dates. So we will go into data model and then click on join date, change this data type, and then we can see in our data pane that a calendar has been appear on the left side of join date. And again, we do the same with the last payment date, and in country we categorize it to a country, then a globe will appear in the left of it. Now we will be building the basic structure and design of this report. We will insert a shape, set its style to round the corner by 5 pixels, and add a glow effect. After resizing and fixing it at the top, we will copy and paste it below. In these shapes we will place our KPIs. For one shape we will add an icon and fill it with white color. We will also slightly adjust its size so that the white shape fits the behind background shape. Then we copy and paste 3 more shapes, one for our donut chart, one for area chart, and third for tree visual. Our report's basic structure has been completed. Now let's insert a text box and change its font size, make it visually better, and adjust it at our top shape. Then we will insert a card where our total revenue will appear. We will select the revenue field from the data pane and change its name to total revenue. Then we will adjust its size and remove its background, set the color of the value and category label to white, and we will do the same for other KPIs. Afterwards, we will add a slicer for filtering purposes. In this slicer, we will filter country by names and set it as a drop down in the settings. Then we will adjust its placements so it can look more better. And now it's time to work on our donut chart. We will add devices and the number of users using those devices. We will turn off its background. Next, we will add area graph. In the x-axis we have join date, and we will filter it out as a month, and on the y-axis we will have users. We will turn off the x-axis title and y-axis and make the line dotted while turning the data labels on. Then we will add a tree visual to the report. This will be our last visual. We will adjust its size and analyze the number of users based on country, gender, device, plan duration, subscription type. We can expand each of fields in this tree view. So we have completed our dashboard. Now we have one more thing to add, which is icon. Go to Flaticon website and write revenue in the search bar and download the icon. Afterwards, add the icon into your report. We will meet in the next video where we will be building stunning visuals.